What's up, guys? Got an easy one for you today. Gonna show you how to make sure your two monitors are displaying two different things in Windows. If that sounds helpful, please subscribe. Here's what we're going to do. We are going to right-click anywhere on our desktop, and then we're going to go down to Display Settings. Click on that. It's going to bring this up right here. And these are your two monitors. Now, if yours is duplicate, what that means is both monitors are showing the exact same thing. What you're going to want to do instead is click on this and hit extend these displays. And what that's going to do is allow you to drag something from one monitor to the other. And then you can have two different things displaying on either monitor at the same time. And it's that simple. So, yeah, if that was helpful, let us know. Leave a comment.